Hello, 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 happy people. We are here in Colombia, Medellin. Well, we're to the north of the city right now. I have no idea where I'm actually at. But right now, we basically got this new bike, 2026 S1000RR. And we're doing the braking period here in Medellin, Colombia. As you guys can see, amazing scenery out here. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're going to hop back on the bike and take it towards the home. I'm not going to use my Waze. If I get lost, I get lost. So let's ride out for a little bit. I left my doggy and the dog here to get a little bath, so I got a couple hours right here to myself. So let's get it. So we're out here. Boom. Loving Colombia, man. Let's do it. Let's head back. Now, these roads are a little bit bumpy, so can't go too crazy. And today is a Tuesday, so there's traffic everywhere. But, you know, I'm glad that you guys are here with me today. Let's go have some fun. Taking this bike out and just, you know, enjoy the blessings of being able to have a $40,000 super bike in Colombia, while also having the same bike in America. So just feeling blessed, feeling absolutely blessed. Gonna get in this road and do what we gotta do. All right, guys, let's get it. Like I said, man, these are regular roads, so can't go too crazy. So we'll do what we can. Man, the one thing about this highway right here is there's so many big old trucks everywhere, and the trucks are not used to super bikes. So we got to be careful, like, you know, squeezing in between trucks and filtering, because the roads here can be oily. The trucks are not used to motorcycles that are at my speed. They're doing little quick little movements like, dude, you're in a big old truck. Like, why are you doing all that, you know? Right there it says electronic detection. It means that they're trying to say that they got a camera around here, a speed camera. I don't see one. So sometimes that could just be a lie to try to trick the people, because what basically happens is that you have to advise where there's an actual legal working camera. So normally, like, you'll see like a sign that says like 500 meters, a traffic sign, traffic camera, and it'll say right when a traffic camera is starting that you can get a ticket. I got plenty of these tickets, so they're definitely real, guys. They're definitely real. But I mean, I don't see anything around here. I see the police right there to my left. The police. He's not catching me on this bike, so I'm not gonna worry about him. Let's just head out and head home. So it's a 35-degree incline right there. That's the thing, like, you know, you be trying to work on your curves out here, and as soon as you come out of your curve, there's a car, you know. So because this isn't a track, you still got to be careful about your lines, because you might have to put the bike up straight again and brake. What we do have out here is an amazing view. Just a beautiful, beautiful view of the city. Look at all this right here. Hopefully you guys can see this, how amazing, beautiful the city is. It is a work of art, this city. I'm not gonna lie, man. Like, it's just absolutely beautiful. And it's a great place to ride motorcycles, especially like on the weekends when there's less traffic. That's the thing, like, you be working on your curves, sitting in your line, and then it's like either a big old truck or a bike right in front of you, you know? So it kind of like takes away some of the fun of hitting your curves, you know? But this isn't a track, so it's a public road. We gotta respect the fact there's other people out here too. It's not just my road, it's everyone's road. Motorcycles don't pay tolls, so we're gonna go to the furthest right. Anytime you come to like a toll booth here in Colombia, just go to the furthest right of your lane, and there's a little section right here for motorcycles. So you guys can see it right here. Electronic detection, so they're saying there should be a speed camera right here. It might be that right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I saw a little thing right there. That might be it right there. So what I'm gonna do is get about a quarter mile before I start heading out, or at least a curve to where I know that the camera isn't facing that direction. So this curve right here where that duster is, that Renault Duster, once we get around there, then we can be confident about putting up some speed on the bike. But we're coming out a little bit. I need my first service done ASAP to unlock this beast, man. Because I need my full rev range. Do I need it? No. Do I want it? Yes. So what's this guy doing? Absolutely crazy. Let's get it! One of the things about the curves here in Medellin is that you can't see the exit. So you don't want to go too crazy in the curve because you can't see the way out. Yeah, buddy. Alright, last one was a 37, so a little bit more of an incline. There's like a little line between wanting to really incline the bike and also wanting to be safe, right? So you gotta like figure that out. Have your fun, but still be safe. So you want to leave some margin. Once again, the S1000RR electronic detection. It says get down to 60, so let's get down to 60. I don't see where in the world the camera would be out here. There's nothing for it to hang on. And what I also do is like if I'm out here in the mountains and I see the cars are going at a certain speed, I'm just gonna match their speed. Like they know the routes better than I do, you know. One of the tricks I do sometimes, what I should have done this time, is I run Waze. And Waze will tell me, oh, speed camera ahead. And if it doesn't say anything, I'm probably going to be gunning it. Road's a little bumpy. It's actually incredible how many buses and big old trucks are on these streets, man. Like, it's a lot. It's definitely a lot. God, if you can see me. If you can see the furthest distance, like over there, where it starts looking like favelas, that's actually like the hoods. It's not the 1 or 2. Not trying to be insulting, just speaking the truth. Those are the neighborhoods that are a little bit harder to live in. You know, a lot of needs, necessities are out there. You know, I think that if we discount the fact that there is some poverty out here, that we'd be lying to ourselves. Looks like we're running into some traffic here. That guy's whipping that little bike around, isn't he? Alright, so now we'll go towards Medellin. Medellin, whatever you want to call it, however you want to pronounce it, same thing. You can see in the road, it's a little, not the best conditions in the road. It's still dirty, got some oil here and there. So gotta be a little careful. This guy's basically like going full top with his little bike with a blue shirt. Little young kids riding, having a good time. I mean, you know, good for them, you know. The young kids riding probably their first bikes and just having a good time out here. Good for them. I wish I would have started riding motorcycles when I was younger, but at the same time, starting older, when I was probably more mature. So, you know, who knows? Let's see where these kids are heading to. Passing Acevedo, which is the closest metro station to 12 de Octubre. Right there you can see the metro cables that go down. They go all the way up to Santo Domingo and Parque Arby. Oh, no. Yeah, you know, like I said, man, everyone appreciates a cool bike.